The real estate industry in Singapore is governed by strict regulations. Central to this is the Estate Agents Act of 2010, which outlines licensing requirements for real estate salespersons and establishes ethical standards that must be adhered to. Understanding these regulations is vital for both agents and consumers to ensure compliance and professional integrity.
Property transactions involve a complex process that necessitates familiarity with both the Housing Developers Control and Licensing Act and legal agreements such as the option to purchase. Buyers and sellers must understand their responsibilities and obligations to avoid legal pitfalls and ensure a smooth transaction. Marketing strategies in real estate can make or break a transaction. By focusing on ethical advertising and regulatory compliance, agents can build trust with consumers while successfully promoting properties across residential, commercial, and industrial sectors. Consumers in Singapore must be protected from unfair trade practices when engaging in real estate transactions. The Consumer Protection Fair Trading Act outlines the rights of consumers and the obligations of service providers, ensuring that fairness prevails in all dealings. Navigating the financial landscape of property transactions in Singapore includes understanding key taxation issues such as goods and services tax and stamp duty. Both buyers and sellers must be aware of their legal obligations to avoid unexpected financial burdens.
The real estate landscape in Singapore is continually evolving. Staying informed about recent policy updates is critical for both new and experienced agents to adapt and maintain compliance within the industry.
This course paper serves as an essential guide for aspiring real estate salespersons. By covering the regulatory landscape, transaction processes, marketing strategies, and legal considerations, it equips learners with the knowledge needed to thrive in this competitive field. Education in real estate is not just about learning the ropes, it's essential for ensuring compliance with laws and achieving success in agency work. A solid educational foundation empowers agents to navigate complex transactions, advocate for clients effectively, and build a reputable career.